Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you my usual way of making pipes. It's pretty simple, but it's really flexible and can be used for a lot of situations. In my opinion, the best primitive to start with is a torus. Let's go ahead and create one. You can do so by shift right clicking and going down to torus. Drag one out onto the grid. Press T to bring up the quick menu and we can reduce the divisions to say 12. Now what we want to do is delete the half we don't want. You can do so by going to face mode and selecting them and deleting them. Like so. If we bevel the middle edge, we can now move the two 90-degree corners apart. Like so. From this point we can add some more details to the pipe by using edge loops and extruding. When we smooth preview this mesh, nothing holds, as we have no supporting edges. Using the multi-cut tool, let's add some. When using the multi-cut tool, you can use the middle mouse button to add edges to the middle. Now when we smooth preview the mesh, everything looks great. We can duplicate and bridge multiple pipes together as long as they have the same amount of sides for the bridge tool to work. Now what you have to do is combine the two meshes by going to shift right click combine and then selecting the two edges you want to connect. You now can bridge by going to shift right click and then go down to the bridge tool, like so, and they connect your edges like that. Again, you can keep doing this until you have the shape you need. Super simple method to create pipes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you get stuck at any point, leave a comment and I'll try and get back as soon as possible. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.